If you want to graph a vertical or a horizontal line, y equals 3 really means that every single point on the line has a y coordinate of 3. So if I have a whole bunch of points, I'm going to make all the y coordinates 3. Then you can pick any number you want for the x coordinate. So let's say I randomly select -2. If I plot -2, 3, then we would be right here, back to up 3. Let's say I go with 4, and if you plot 4, 3, then you would end up being right here, right 4, up 3, and then I randomly select, let's say 10. So if I plot the point 10, 3, then I'd be right 10, up 3. See how no matter what number you choose for x, if you always let the y be 3, you're going to be at this height. So the line for y equals 3 is this line right here. Now a quick way to think about that is the effect is going to be, you have a line that slices through the y-axis at 3. So let's do the same thing for x. If I make every single point have an x coordinate of 7, so I have -7, and -7, I can choose anything I want for the y if I have x equals -7. So let's say I pick 10, I pick -2, and I pick 3. If I plot these points, back 7, up 10, back 7, down 2, back 7, up 3, then we're going to end up with these points, and you start to see the pattern that every single one of them is going to be on this line. So the effect, if you have a x equals -7, is you're just going to have a line that slices through the x-axis at -7. So let's just follow that up really quick. If I wanted to know the equation of that green line, notice the green line is slicing through the y-axis, and it's slicing through the y-axis specifically at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the equation of that line is y equals -5. This blue line is slicing through the x-axis at 2. And so the equation is going to be x equals 2. So a quick way to remember graphing these lines, if it's an x equals, you know that the line is slicing through the x-axis at that number. And if it's a y equals, it's going to slice through the y-axis at that number.